This is not just a library, it's home. A home built on knowledge, love, care, and the unshakable support of a university that wants to see you win. Here, dreams are nurtured between the pages of books, and success is shaped at every study desk. And because success starts with preparation, the UJ Library says you're not alone. One of the best tools they've got waiting for you? Past exam papers. Yes, real questions from real exams to help you get exam ready with confidence. Let me show you how to find them, because your A game starts right here. Step 1. Open Chrome or Edge. Step 2. Search UJ Library. Step 3. Click the first link. Step 4. Scroll and click UJ Online Exam Papers. Step 5. Click Sign In, then log in with your ULink details. Step 6. Change organization from staff to student. Step 7. In the search bar, type your full module name. Example, Business Management 1A. Step 8. Use filters on the left. Select past exam papers. Step 9. Click, preview, and download. You can also use your module code to search.